Let's match the color of this leaf. First, I will cut a square from the leaf, so it will be easier for me to work. I will start with ultramarine blue. I will stretch the color first so that we can see it better. Beautiful. I will add a little bit of cadmium yellow. I already have a green, but I can see that my green is darker than this one. I need to brighten my green. The only way I can brighten this green is by using yellow or white. In this case, I will go with yellow. Let's see what we have. Much closer, right? Much closer. Now we are very close value-wise. When I say value-wise, I mean that it's not so different from the point of darkness and brightness. We are very close, right? Maybe still my mixture is a little bit darker than this one, so I will take a little bit more yellow. Let's see. I want to exaggerate a little bit in purpose. I will take more yellow. Very close, right? Let's take a little bit of cerulean blue. Very close. Close value. My mixture now looks almost the same. Brightness and darkness the same like this one. But still, mine is a little bit too dark, I think, a little bit. So I will take a little bit of white, a little bit. Let's see. I always work step by step, slowly. Now my mixture is a little bit brighter. I will take a little bit of yellow. And this one looks a little bit warmer than my mixture. I want to try a little bit of burnt sienna. Let's see what happens. Very close. This one now looks a little bit darker than mine still. A little bit of burnt sienna. A little bit of ultramarine blue, just a touch. Let's see. This is still warmer. Maybe a little bit of red. So you see, first I reached the same value. Now I'm starting to manipulate the hues. I want to reach a very close color to the leaf. Maybe a little bit more yellow and a little bit of red. Let's see. I like what I'm seeing. It needs a little touch of yellow, maybe. See? Let me know in the comments, what do you think? Am I close or what? A little bit more ultramarine and a little bit of burnt sienna. It's very important to mix everything well. You see, I'm going back and forth and coming back because I want to use all the paint that I use. Here I'm going closer. Still maybe a little bit more yellow. And burnt sienna, just a touch, just a touch. and a lick of white. Just a touch. A little bit more burnt sienna. Touch of yellow. A lick of cerulean. Yellow. Let's see. Touch of blue. Beautiful. You see? I reach the same color. Try this all the time. This exercise will help you upgrade your ability to mix any color on earth. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.